let's say we have some other options. Like, let's say we want to buy a property that fits what we're looking for. We're not sure once it's going to close. And we also want to consider a DST in that 45-day window as an alternative. So how do we make sure we're following those three rules, one of those three with the 1031 and DST?
Yeah, so typically the investor utilizes the 200% rule. So you're right, there's three different rules that you can go by. The 3-property rule, you identify just 3 properties, but the 200% rule, the second way that you could do it is you can identify as many properties as you want, as long as the value of those properties collectively don't exceed 200% of the value of the property you relinquished. And so DSTs basically can be added as multiple backup options or multiple different options. And, it's not going to get you in trouble with the 200% rule.